So guys, we are going to talk about this tool which is called Tuberank Jet. So this is a tool that allows you to optimize your videos to rank higher on YouTube. So why I love Tuberank is because it have a lot of things you can do with it and it's very affordable. If you want to get Tuberank, the link will be in the description. It will be the first link. Click on it and get Tuberank. And what is good is that you have 30 days money back guarantee. Let me see you don't like the software you are trying to use this, you don't understand it or you don't like it, you can ask for your money within 30 days if you don't like it. If you don't know how to use it, you can go and watch some videos or watch some of my video to learn how you can use Tuberank. Let me just explain a short details on this video on how these two work and when they started and how you can use it. So what is good here? So first thing, if you come down here on AppSumo, because I'm reviewing this video from AppSumo because they have a lifetime deal that you can get on AppSumo. Before I talk about it, you can see that on AppSumo you can get these Tuberank Jet Optimizer and rank your YouTube channel videos. So you can see that this tool you can get it for just in a price of $69. Pay this money only once and you will have this tool on your hand and you can use it as many times as you want. So that is one thing I want you to understand here by buying it, because you are purchasing this only once, $69 only. So you are not going to spend any other like hiding fee or anything. Once you pay this $69, you will have access to this tool and you will start using it to rank your videos and optimize your video to SEO friendly. So if you come down here, you can see say Tuberank Jet is the de facto standard for YouTube video SEO since 2014 when it was first launched. So this is a good tool that you can start using today. It helps you to select a perfect title, description, hashtag and tag to get you more views in any niche. So it doesn't matter any type of videos you are making, any type of niche you are into, you can use this. It says Tuberank Jet is a desktop application and require window to run. So I want to say that this tool is a tool that you can use on only Windows. You don't need any other software to use it. You can only use Tuberank on Windows. If you have Mac, I'm sorry, you need to go and try to look for, maybe your girlfriend have a window. You can just like use your window computer or window laptop to run this your Tuberank software. But now you can get it on only $69 on AppSumo, which is something. That is why I say you should use the link in the description to try this software out and look at it yourself. Let me know what you think. An alternative site is TubeBuddy and vidIQ, and that is it. So the integration is Elementor and WordPress. So that is the details I just want to review here. And what is good is that the type of features you can get is a plans and features. It's a lifetime access to Tuberank Jet optimize and rank your YouTube videos. You say you must redeem your code within 60 days of purchase. Let me say you purchase this website, which is Tuberank, within 60 days. You need to redeem this your offer, this your purchase. You need to go and install this software. And you say all features plan updated. So the features and plan are updated. You don't need to pay any money for upgrade. And you say please note this deal is not stakeable, which means you cannot sell this to other people. Like if you buy it, you can go like sell it to other person or all those kind of things. You cannot do it. And that is it. So you see what it says. Say it's not even 30 days. You know, I say it's 30 days, but now you can see say 60 days money back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months to make sure it's right for you. So you have time to use it and play around with it to see if it's something you want. If you don't like it, you can change your mind and cancel it and ask back for your money. They have a live chat, which is something where you can chat with them within 24 hours. You have 6 days of 24 hours, which is Monday to Saturday. They are available Monday to Saturday, so you can chat them and see or ask them any question you have in mind. So that is it. I'm going to end this video from here. I just want to review this software to you. For those of you who have YouTube channel like me and you want to grow gradually, you need to try this software out. The link will be in the description. What I want to say is that when you try this software, don't just like cancel your payment. Try it at least 1 month, 2 months, 3 months to see if it's something that will work for you, because it will not just work like a magic. You have to follow it maybe 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. Within 6 months, you will see changes start coming onto your YouTube channel. So it will not just like change overnight. So that is what I want to say. So I'm going to end it from here. Like what I said, don't forget to watch this my other video that I've made about tools and software that you can use, that you can get for one-time payment on AppSumo. You can check this video that will pop up right now to see the tools and see if it's something that is following your requirements. I will say thank you very much and see you on my next video.